Hello guys. Yes. Hello guys. Am I audible? Can you let me know? Can you let me know that I am audible? Wait a minute. I'm just setting up my charts. You let me know I am audible or not. Okay, I think still muted, no voice. Yes, bro, clear now. Okay, then it's now let's do our analysis then. Frankly speaking, I am expecting no price action today. Literally, you have seen right from today price action. You see, price is still in consolidation in right. London open somewhere here, and still the price isn't on. I'll check how much. This is the range, right? Price is in consolidation currently, and I'm not expecting any kind of a price action right now. But we'll still do the analysis ki how price is going on and how market is doing. This was is good. Let's do first. Let's first do. Let me remove this one. Okay. Let's check. Okay. Currently showing bullish. Currently it's a bullish price action right now. It's just price. This is high. I think price is taken out this. So very close to right all-time high. Price take out this one is currently here. So still if price can take out this. Price missed the daily low. So it's currently there is not much of a price action on higher time frame. If I look at the higher time frame on daily, it's a bullish price action right now. Okay, price is making higher highs, and because of the Venezuela news also, so it's currently on uptrend. So I'm expecting it to go to take out this high, but for to take out this high, it's let's say currently it didn't take out this low, right? So I'm still expecting price take out this low. If I look at this, right? Last something, it can also work like that, right? Tap in to these levels. Okay, let's do our euro. Okay, let's do weekly. Is it something? Okay, price take out the weekly liquidity and one more is left there, but price is still one, two, three weekly highs is taken out. If I go to 12 to okay, it's a significant liquidity for me. And then we go to daily. If I look at daily, price took out this, right? This one, and there is our fair value gap here. So I'm expecting price to take, we wait for this low to go, and then we can wait for another opportunity for shorts. But currently, price is still in a consolidation range. For higher time frame perspective, I'm expecting price to tap out this or this level to look for this range. I'm overall expecting price to tap out this, right? My overall target for this euro is this low. If I go to 4 hour, let's go to 6 hour first, then we'll go to 4 hour. So let's do a 4 hour for price took out this high, close below this one. Then if I look at high to low, price tap out exactly 50% of range. So okay, this is the level. Then if I look at price took out this one, this was yesterday price action I have discussed on my Discord, this one. Okay, and then if I look at for currently like for example, this was a good shot, but this one I didn't short it because I'm not confident in this one. If price goes above this one, and then I can look for my entries. But currently, I'll say there is not much a price action here, not much of a price action here. Okay, let's, and why I'm expecting price to go this one. If I think I consider this is range, right? So if let's see, I will do something, then you will, this price to got this. Okay, this is making something. Okay, let's say this. So I'm expecting this and this, right? Let's do this here. This is the price action currently on, right? If I draw this something, this is looking a manipulation. Okay, and then we can expect a distribution, something like that, right? It's behaving something like that. So I'm expecting price to take out lows, but maybe we'll see in upcoming weeks. But current today, I'm not expecting any kind of a price action because of the consolidation is, let's say there is a new existing home sale, but still it is not a major news so that it can affect market, right? Let's go and check for GBP USD. GBP, let's go to same daily, weekly. First, let's do monthly. Okay, is monthly is at good price level. This is monthly FPG. And if I go to, let's say this is right. So price already tap out the premium of FPG. Then I remove this one. Then I go to tools. If I go to this one, then I can narrow down it, narrow down my POI. There is a fair value gap. Okay. Uh, Something like that. Then I can go to daily. Okay, daily still looks daily looking good. Suppose let's say 2 daily. This is also looking good, right? Price took out liquidity closes below. The second candle is closed below. But if I let's say remove this, yeah, short size is looking good for me. If I do this one, right? Okay, if I am do this one, price to call the liquidities. If I go to high to low, and then price is at the 0.5% of the range. Now there is a two scenario right here. First is price can do is just dump, but second scenario is price will go up and then go down. Let's see, whatever the scenario will show, will trade according to that. Okay, let's go to 4 hour. 4 hour, is there any POI? Okay, if I let me remove this, not remove. This is a POI. This is a 4 hour, right? Sorry. Let me use this. Okay. Now this is a all 4 hour POI. We can reduce to this level. Okay. The price is at the level of now price can do is take out this lows, right? So first my target for the shorts would be this one. And after that, then it could be this one, right? But the first one was this. MS said, hello, hello, bro. Okay, the first target is this, and second target this one. So we'll trade according to this. Okay, this one. Okay, now we'll see USD JPY. Let's look at first look at crypto, right? Okay, this was the crypto, right? I told you right on my Discord that the price can go here from here right down. The price exactly dropped from this level and just gave us the good drop here. I think the Alam one asked, right, ki, what about this whole, right? This was the level we marked and the price exactly behaved. Let's do this analysis on crypto. If I look at the weekly is at good level. Let's say price took out this one. Daily B is also looking good. If I'll go to 6 hour, yeah, now I'm expecting some kind of, right? So I'm expecting this level. Let's first of all, my first long target would be this one, and then second would be this one, right? We'll see what happen next. And the let's do BTC. BTC, we took a shot on BTC. This one, same BTC also exactly doing same. Look at the liquidity closes above one. This one, because there are lots of like buyer trapped here. So I'm still expecting price to take out this one. Uh, okay, exotic USD JPY. Yesterday I took a shot on USD JPY and I got good win out of it, and I am still long. I'm still holding this position currently. Still holding this position currently. Let's see what we got. Same. If I do the analysis on this one, I was expecting price to take out this high, but this low, but it didn't. But I planned accordingly. Okay. If I look at first trade was here, the second here. If I look at this one was because I was expecting a pullback. Pullback was because the price at daily level. If I look at this is daily level, and then I go to 4 hour. 4 hour is also, see, if I reduce to this level, let me just, okay, this is 4 hour level, so that's why. And then we go to our entry time frame, whatever it could be 10 minutes and 5 minutes, 10 and 15. Price took out this one and then closes below this one, then you can expect a downside momentum, right? So I took out this short yesterday. I'll now go to Euro JPY. Euro JPY, okay, got our win again. Okay, now nothing here. Let's see, analyze on weekly. Let me remove this. Try. Currently, it's just JPY pairs are bullish, literally. Yeah, it's just flying. It's less. It's still there is a news. Okay, rate decision. There is not like forecast previous. Okay, they haven't increased or did anything. It's just that's why because of that rate decision, is price going up. I think BOJ need to intervene, right? The JPY pair is like going down too. I think which low is hit see like, yen close to, let me check, stick to moderate recovery. Yeah, I think they will intervene. BOJ need to intervene, otherwise the yen pair is not looking good. So that's why we can see in upcoming months we can expect a correction, right? Because we haven't, let's say how many days it is. Let's check from here to, it's been 30 days, right? There is not a significant correction, right? And if I'll say from the momentum started from somewhere, let's say, let's check out this, right? And then check, it's been around how many days? From April 2020, right? From there was is just going up, and we are checking a weekly time frame, right? So it shows how much weak currently Japanese pair, right? Japanese Japan economy is okay. So currently there is nothing. You can just look for buys only. Don't short this pair because there is not a price. There is not price action, right? If you want to short, you need 4 hours levels, right? There is no 4 hour levels to short. GJ is also doing the same thing. So currently nothing here. Let's say let me remove this drawing. Okay, Euro USD, Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD is this level, so we can look for some, let's say 12 hour, 6 hour. Yeah, we can basically we can target some levels, right? We can target something like this. Okay, we can target this level and then this level. It's not the price can go up to this level, but we can still expect a pullback here, right? For that, let's say price tap out 4 hour level, something, yeah, tap out you can look for. But there is no sweep, right? If I want to take a trade here, I need some kind of then we can enter here like something new, and then we can enter here. Pair is not moving good. Okay, there is nothing. Guys, do you want me to analyze any pair? Let's go to USD CAD, also USD. CAD, USD CAD, we can also look for USD CAD. Weekly, sorry, it's monthly. Monthly is nothing. I think monthly I'm expecting a pullback. Is I was expecting price to take out this low. Currently it's in pullback mode, so there's nothing here. See, price took out this just and then decided to go up. Okay, if I look at currently there is nothing. We can expect a small, like a small scalp only. Currently there is like no price action. matlab basically consolidation price action on every pair, right? I think because of December, right? Look at this. This is whole consolidation. A price just took out this one and then again consolidation. So don't expect any good result out of it. Okay, it's better for you to wait for good opportunities and then look for trade ideas. But currently, okay, it's going down. Maybe it will take out these lows, right? Let's do analysis on NAS. Okay. Okay, price took out this. We go weekly if we go to daily, and then there is nothing literally. There is, I think there's SMT with only SMT, and then there's nothing here. SMT was ES. It currently price can take out this, right? This high it can go. One sweep and then I can go. Now you have any question you can ask, right? We did our analysis. Let me check out the alerts. Okay, you can ask any questions, right, guys? According to, and one more thing, currently there's a I'll say Christmas giveaways going on. You can check, and if you use simple 30, you will get 30% discount on your challenges. And currently also you will say, let me check the current offers, right? Okay, currently one more let's give is going offer is going on is to, is 20% off and challenges, and you will get daily payouts and plus 90% profit is split if you use Rohan 20 Rohan 20 or simple 20. You can use any name, right? If you need like 20% discount, daily payouts and 90% profit is split, then you can look for Rohan 20. If you need only 30% discount, then you can use Rohan 30 code. If you have any question, you can ask. I will try to answer it. And I will like do a short stream today because I have work to do. So I will do a short stream today. And I'll say there is not like much of a price action still, right, today. So let me delete this all mess here. So you already expect, okay, you already know, right, what I'm expecting. I'm expecting bearish price action on EU, bullish on, let's say, DXY, but okay, price takeout, it's been taken out. It, I think today is not good idea, right, for to position yourselves. Let me check. Mm, okay, here anything? No, there's nothing to trade currently. Okay, I just can say okay, price take out this, right? Okay, we're discussing price take out this. Let's say, is there anything? if I, let's say, I'm not expecting any current price action here, good price action here. If you have any question, you can ask. Cause it could can I okay we could ask, can I know your buys on DXY? Okay, let me check it for you. Okay, for current DXY, let me this one, right? Yep. Okay, I'm still expecting price to, let's say if I do this right, high to low. So I am expecting if I want to short or do something on DXY, I want price to at least go this one side, something let's say like this, and then okay, let me draw again. Oh, okay, something like that. Okay, then I can say ki, yeah, I can say it, look for longs on EU. Currently, price is very close to this, so I'm not in a mood to look for longs. Okay, can cause it have daily FEG, you think have some retrace before going higher? Oh, for what? Are you talking about EU or GU or DXY? I'm not able to get the question correct, right? You can ask. Can you rephrase your question again? Greetings here. Okay, greetings, brother. If you have any question, you can ask, guys. And it's not a financial advice. We are just here showing our perspective, how you can analyze the markets all. And it would be not like a long stream. I'll be doing like 50 minutes today, 40 to 50 minutes stream today. EU, cause if DXY is going to daily FEG, I'm expecting some longs on EU. How? If DXY going to daily FEG, let's say if DXY is going to daily FEG, then how you can expect a long on EU? You can expect a short, right? If DXY going to daily FEG, right? How you can expect a long in EU? It's opposite, right? It behave exactly opposite, right? So how you can expect a long, brother? I think you I think you got confused, right? You are saying short, right? Mm, this is my analysis on right DXY. Nothing much here. Only let's say currently is rejecting. How Y is rejecting? Could be no. Currently there's nothing here, but we can look for good opportunities if there are. Guys, how you like that new MT5 update? Do you liking it or not? For me, I'll say it's that MT5, the new MT5 update is just not good, right? Are you do you liking it or not? Let's say, okay, this one, okay, else I say, this looks something. There are two scenarios, right? Either price can go up, okay, make this as a breaker and then tap and then just go, right? two scenarios. And I use MT5 only on PC. Yeah, then it's good. Mostly I trade like I open my trades using mobiles only. I do my analysis on PC, but I open my trade only. Currently, like I use my iPhone to open a trade mostly, most of the time. For example, for NQ, first scenarios could be this one, and the second could price do something and then reverse, right? Because this could be a major order block for the NQ, right? So we'll see what happens, and still there is 9:30 here, and there would be a news at 10, but I don't think it will affect that much. Okay, look at this. Price just tap and just reversed. So that's good. Okay, dollar is this thing is now it's behaving like a range, right? Tap up, tap. If suppose it tap out this, right? I think it can tap out this and then go up. Same dollar also doing same thing, right? Let's say something, right? But very close to level, right? Close to this level, then we can expect this. So we need to wait for, right? Or how if we describe this price action, right? Let me describe this price action for you. Wait a minute, how's the okay, this was the price action, right? On the stream we saw it the price can take out this and can go up, right? The price did exactly what we expected, what we are expecting, right? The price exactly did what we are expecting. Key. Why I'm expecting this? There's a two thing. Price price rejected from daily. If I look at this one also, it'll say where is the target? Okay. If I look at this one, you can see, right? Is close to is basically a pre-discount level. Then there is right this currently. If I look at this whole level, right, and then price took out this one, right. So most of the time, if I'll somebody says what my model is something I trade this, right. First entry would be somewhere here, and then second, and then third. So this is currently, if I'll say this is my model trade. So I will be I took I trade something like that, and then I check mostly below this one. So you can say that, right? And then here would be SMT. So you can say something like that. This could be a model for to trade. And it happens every time. If you check the markets, it's not, it's whenever market want to change its direction, it's happen most of the time, right? If I see, let me remove this one. Okay. Okay, let's do analysis of this one, right? And it would be a good, yes, it's a blank canvas. Let me show you. Okay, this is 1 hour. Let's say we are looking for buys or sell, whatever you want to like. For example, this, and then price took out, let's say something, and then, right? And then after that, this your entry, same model, right? If you look at, right, if I'll do here, see, is it same model or not, right? If you don't understand, you can do something like that, right? Now look at same model, right? NQ, okay, brother, let me analyze NQ for you. Let me show. Wait a minute, let me delete this. Okay, wait a minute, okay, let me delete this one. Then I'll show you. Okay, currently it's also rejecting, right? Okay, where is the NQ? NQ. I don't know why my subscription got cancelled. I bought 1 year data. I think so. Okay, for this one, right? What I'm expecting it. See, here is the order block. Okay, sorry. Here is the order block here, right? I'll say, and I'm expecting a two scenario. Either price can do and then right go down, or either price do this one like from this one and then can do this and then tap out this one and to take out overall high. This is the scenario. Let me show you. This one is could be here. Let's go. Where is the NQ? Okay, this is the scenario I'm expecting currently. So this two kind of scenario I'm expecting. Now you can see, right? So we'll see how markets do. Currently, you don't need to trade here. And it's the end of the week, right? So be patient by trade by taking this. You don't want to end your week with the loss. So it's better to be a little bit careful by taking chase, right? Have little bit patience, then you would do great. Okay. Mhm. DT Trade Zone said hello, brother. Let's do. Is rejecting, right? Same price action. And then see DXY doing the same thing, right? They rejected this weekly, it rejected this F sweep, and then if I check out this same, right, range, if I take out this range, if this is range, then it's going to be a range again, right? Range to range. But this could be a range here also, range to range. Any more questions? Let's check USD CHF, right? I I don't like right trading USD CHF is not a good for me. Is I'm not fond of that pair. It's just mostly consolidating, right? For me, I don't like it. For example, this is the only level where we can short here, and we took a small short here. This is the only level for this is also a consolidation, right? Most of the pair, right? USD JPY pair, sorry, not USD, USD pairs, USD cross, right? Are in consolidations only. Hmm. XAG silver is not doing good. Silver is also at close. If I look at this, right, this is range. So it took out the lower side of the range, so I'm expecting it can take out upside of the range, right? So we'll see what happens. Okay, it's currently is doing good. Mhm. Okay, see the same, doing the same, right? Following the same scenario we are what we are seeing. Either can go up and then this one, and either C is going it can go down, right? It can affect as a or major block for here for this one. We'll see if they get any opportunities here to look for entries or not. And it would be a short stream, guys. If you wanna buy account with MCF, you can use for code simple 30, or you can use Rohan 20 for 20% discount, daily payouts, and 90% profit splits. So it's depend upon you which code you want to use. Right, it can see it. We can see some kind of moment. Yeah, right. Something and then something because there is a level, right? This is price very close to this one, so I'm still expecting. Why do you have consistency rule? That I don't know. You need to check on the website. For that, you need to check on their website, right? If you don't want, like, if you don't want daily consistency, you can use simple 30, right? You can get it's showing on the screen, right? Simple 30, you will get 30% discount. The rules and they're like not no such absurd rule, right? So you can take the advantages. Not still not here. Only trade I took today is this one. This was the only trade I took. And my entry, I think it would somewhere here. This was my entry. My SL was here, and it's not key. I can say right key. I can took this right. No, no. I took only 0.8. This was my own future account. I took this one 0.8 only. This was only trade idea I got. I think USD CAD is at good position, right? USDCAD. Yeah, it's let's say 4 hour. Yep. It's range high to range low, right? It's took out range. It's too overextended, right? It's overextended move. Otherwise, I would short this, right? Why I don't want to short this price is very overextended, right? Otherwise, if I look at this, right, then I can say it's look at right. It's take out liquidity, and also if I look at this, right? It, let me read this one. Sorry, this right. If this level. Right, if I go to 4 hour also, it took out, right, almost all of the liquidities. If I go 15 minutes and 15 minutes is also doing good, right? So it can go down, not, and then is consider this. Okay, I think I need to change color, the color of my site. The boxes color is looking a little bit. What are you trading today? I basically I didn't take any trade today. Only one I took one NQ only. So it can like it you can like let's say so if this thing want to go down, it would be only targets this one and this one. So I took a short on this one only. This was my only short, right? Okay, let me show you. This was the where was the this was the my only short position I took. I took only this short. Something like that. This was my only position I took today on futures accounts. Mm, not because today I'm not expecting like if I'll say in forex, I'm not expecting like a good price action. So that's why I didn't take it any trade today because it's end of the week and also if I say it's end of the weekend, I'll say why when I see this price action, right? Ki London price didn't do much. It's just consolidation, right? It's looks like that there is it's behaving like there would be a good like major news, right? Because of the major news, but currently there is none, right? So it's better for me to wait for the opportunity to present, right? Rather than risking. I waited for the opportunity, let's see, will I get. But I'm not like, okay, I don't, I want to trade, right? If I get trade, like, so mostly I'll say, if I take trade, I will take trade on NQ most only, right? Today. Because I think, yeah, same, it's low volatility, my SL got hit. Yeah, because there is, yeah, literally no volatility, volatility, sorry. There is no volatility, so that's a good decision not to take trade today, right? And let's one more. So up now, if, let's say if price took out this, we still look at this, right? Whole of a consolidation. I think it's because of the yesterday news, right? After the news, price didn't want to like do anything today. Maybe we'll get a good opportunity in upcoming weeks. For me, if I say I'm looking for shorts rather than buying. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm not saying you will follow my analysis blindly, but I am more keen to sell side rather than buy side. Okay, okay. For example, let's say this can be a good trade. Something. Let's try this one, right? I'm like to $400 up. Let's try this one. Will I get or not? Let's try this one. This would be my second trade only today. And if this got my SL, then I will not be trading today because I'm done for the day. This is the only trade I'm like currently looking at. Mm. So guys, you have taken any trade today? Yeah, only me that who haven't taken any trade. Mm. Okay, let's see. Market is too slow today, right? Mhm. Okay, let me delete this one. This looking bad. Okay. Oops. This need to go. This thing need to go. No trade bro. Yes. Yeah, that's the thing, right? That's the way, right? Rather taking SLs on like low probability condition is rather not to take a trade. Yeah, price isn't holy down. Yeah, basically you can say right. It's 19 December, right? It's very close to Christmas, right? Christmas is I think 25, right? So it's very close to Christmas, right? So I think most of the people will not take a trade. So I'll say it was better, right? Not to trade. Currently I'm like in this one in this trade ID. I will see if I got my SL, then let's say then I will be break even for the day, right? Okay, I like this is 1 hour plus 1 hour, and if this got SL, then it 1 hour, so would be BE for the day. And guys, do you like the stream? Mm. What most of the people do is like, for example, if price, for example, like let's say I have taken this trade, right? If I price is like close to this one, they will basically close the trade because they are scared, right? They're scared of taking SLs and then they will close this trade idea, right? For me, either it's take SL or like win, it doesn't matter that much, right? Because you need to follow the process, right? If you follow the process, eventually you will get results, right? Currently, I'll say कि my yes, yeah, let's say yeah, I'm using it. I'm not using much, right? Because let's say it's literally the same, right? It literally the same idea, everything. Mostly use for volume profile, and volume profile works good if I look at this, right? If I suppose if I draw from here to here, right? What is happening here? Let me in this one, right? Where was this one? Okay, right? It's from here to here. This one, right? So if I look at uh, this, right, low volume nodes. If I draw again from, let's say, this here to this one, right? This is again a good position. For example, something like that. If I draw, let's say, from this high to this high, right? You can see that again, this is a good position. So that's how it works mostly. What's Euro doing? Okay, Euro is going to take out. I think Euro can take out these highs, and it can also take out this, right? It can also take out this. So mostly, I'm expecting this one. Let's say what USD can doing. US. Okay, yes, going ago. Yeah, it's going according to analysis, right? USD CAD. We did where's the USD CAD? I did USD CAD analysis, but where is gone? Let me. I think we did here, right? USD CAD. Yeah, right. See, right? Price was here. I did it. I told you it can go take out this, right? It's going again. It is how you basically analyze the markets, right? Right. I gave you the analysis, everything that price was here, and it can take out this, and price exactly doing this, right? See, 1.8 and then total 2.5, right? See, that's how you analyze the market. Not like well say science, right? Not much of a science. It's just basic price action. Here I'm still expecting. Here is the NQ. Let's say currently this one is running, right? And here is the USD CAD, right? USD CAD CAD, and I think uh, we got our good we got our trade here for 1.8 something. Or here is NQ, right? Currently. Mhm. Close the year. Nice. This week bad for week. First week and second week growth 4%. This week's not good for me. Analysis base of what you are seeing. Yeah, yes. Basically, what I do is it's not ki I rely on past analysis. Mostly, what I like, I'll do is key, for example, for let's say I came to chart this from this scenario, right? I will not be doing key, I will be analyzing that key, what happened in like 20 days back or 15 days back. No, I will try to look as today price action, mostly today or like yesterday or something like that, right? For example, you have already see, right, USD cat, right? Same price action, right? What I did is, based off this recent analysis, I took the trade, right? I gave the trade and it's got win. And same like this, right? Based off the recent analysis, we took this trade, right? We don't know the result currently, right? Could be win, it could be loss, but I'm still expecting it can take, we can win this one. Okay, see, this is range for like if I say this, right? Price take out this also. So this is range bound market, and this is a balance. Let's say I don't know why it's not working, right? See, balance profile is not working. I don't know why. Sometimes it works, sometimes it's not working. I don't know why it's not working. Otherwise, it's a balance range, right? Otherwise, it's a balance range. Price took out this one. This one's can. It's not. It's if you understand basics PA, right? You can able to trade market, right? It's not hard. The thing is, you need to understand how to control your losses. If you able to control your losses, the most of like say most of the 80% of the work is done. 80% of the work is done if you control your losses. What strategy do you use? Let me check. Use I use, I'll say, basic PA. My study is nothing like that. Not like it's not that hard, right? I wait for 4 hour POI to develop. For example, suppose there is a 4 hour POI, price rejecting from 4 hour POI, right? And if let's say there is a 4 hour POI and price reach to that 4 hour POI, I will wait for something and sweep and then entry. But it's just my strategy, and it's not that hard, right? And you will definitely get the result out of this one. Yeah, risk management is the key, guys. No matter how good your strategy is, right? If you don't have like risk management, you will definitely will not able to get the payouts. 1% only. 1% of my account, right? For example, let's say I will give you the example. Let's say, okay, how I'm explaining it. Okay, there was a trade. Okay, that's right. I posted this one on Twitter also. I took a long here. I took a long entry here. I took a long entry here, but price did this. Price just dump, and my SL was here. So price took my SL, and just you have seen, right? After that, it just fly off, right? From my SL to, let's say, how much it is. It's close to 45 to 50 pip, right? It just goes for 50 pips, right? But before going up, it took my SL, right? So the thing is, I follow the risk management and only got 1%, right? SL, which is 1K. For example, but if I don't follow risk management, I took here the SL and then I got on tilt and try to like recover my account, and then I can like risk here, just blindly without following any strategy or anything, right? So definitely you will not able to succeed. That's the thing is risk management, right? The thing is, for example, if you have backtested a strategy, suppose a strategy with 1%, right? Suppose you backtested a strategy with 1%. So if you are trading on live on challenges, So that risk 1% only then, right? It's not key you backtested a strategy with 1% and you are trying to risk 0.5%. No, the result you have achieved on backtesting, it's by 1%, right? So it's better to use 1% on that when you are applying the strategy on accounts, right? Or if you are backtesting with 0.5%, to just try to go with 0.5%. That's how do it, right? If I do a back test, I do 1%, right? So I'll try to risk 1% only, and I don't go above like let's say 2% or 3%. Mostly I don't go above like 2% or 3%. Mostly there are times that I have risked like 2%, but let's say if I'll say it would be I let's say if I have taken 10 trade, it would be like one or two trade that I have risked 2% mostly only. So it would be like 10 to 15% of my overall trades that I have risked 2%. Otherwise, I'll risk 1% according to my strategy that I have backtested. So it's better for you to understand, right? Ki risk management, you can lose account for what? Yeah, yeah. The thing is, if let's say if you are trading prop firms, if you don't, yeah, if you Naini, bro, it's like you will definitely, if you are not using proper risk, you will lose account very fast, right? You will lose account very fast, and you will say, and then what happen is, for example, let me give you a simple example. You will sometime you also sometime like you are risking 1%. Sometime what happen is you will also lose account when you risking 1%. Sometime what happen is ki there will be a losing streaks. I also lose account. I also lose, like for example, I have facing through a losing streak. Definitely I will be a losing account, right? But it doesn't matter, right? Ki if I lose one account, it doesn't matter that I'm not a good trader. It's just ki we have faced the price action which is are not good for our system. Right, that's the thing. For example, I had, let's say, in past my account, I was facing a losing streak. One time I was 8% in drawdown and otherwise 9%, right? Another time. But I have recovered this. I recovered 8% also and 9% also. Why? Because I follow same strategy, same risk management, and everything was same. And then I got to payouts with this same strategy, same everything, right? It's all about ki how you see the market, right? Trading prop firm challenges, trading your own personal capital are different kind of game, right? That's a different game, different league and different game. For example, okay, see guys, right? It's okay, it's very close to our profit, right? This is a live trade also, right? It's very close to our profit. See now, and then you can okay, you can USDCAT, right? See how we do it, right? That's a live, right? These are the live trade. This is the light trade, right? And I showed you, didn't I showed you on live, right? Okay, how you can do it, right? That's how you analyze and trade. Euro was here at the time. We analyze analysis and did the analysis and exactly we got profits. If I say I made okay, this trade got me good result. Okay, yes. Let's say I made something 2.1K on this trade idea. This one I made 2 point something. My entry was somewhere. Yeah, it's just how you understand markets, right? It's all about you need which platform is good for backtesting. And being Rohit, what strategy use? I use liquidity. I mostly my strategy all is all about liquidity, right? For example, this was the liquidity price do the consolidation. That's how, right? I did, and then I decide, right? Price was there, same. See, again, take out our this one, take out our this one, and this was the live trade again performing well. Like it's close to 2.4 hour, right? So how you did, and this was right. If price was just very close to our right our targets, just something like that. It- This is also get, let's for example, is just I increased my RR, that's why it's close to here. Otherwise, it's also a win trade, right? That's how you understand. Don't Which platform is good for back testing? I'll say I use mostly FX replay. I use FX replay for my back testing. Which platform is and don't have any account being with using only demo trade for my trading? Yeah, you need to, bro. You need to, if you want, like, you can't be a profitable on demo trading, right? Because demo trading and then live trading is very different scenario, a different kind of pressure. You will feel different kind of pressure. Everything is different, right? Different condition, different environment. When you trade on live, you will feel anxiety. You will then you need to like control that feeling in everything, right? It's different scenario, different games, everything. In basically, if you're trading demo, what happen is you will not feel that pressure, right? You will not feel that pressure. You will taking reckless trade, any trade outside your setup, your everything, bro. I'm still expecting price to take out this, right? Then it would be a 2 out of 2. One is 1, and I think it can take out this, then it would be a 2 out of 2 trade idea. I think guys, I think it's already 1 hour stream. I'll take my leave, and if you are buying account with MCF, you can use code simple20, otherwise you can use Rohan20. Rohan20 for 20% is split daily payouts and 90% for 20% discount daily payout and 90% is splits. Or Rohan20 or simple20 or simple30 for 30% discount. Okay, see you then. See you again next week. Currently, I have nothing. Okay, we'll see. And don't forget to like the stream.